I have a quick tip for any vloggers out there. Sorry about the headphones. Listening to some podcasts while I prepped for a different video, but I had a tip to share based on something. Anyway, so I have a tip for you. For anybody who vlogs, who uses a shotgun mic on top of their camera, what I recommend doing is if you are ever doing a video where you are behind the camera, where you're not in front of the lens, when you are behind the camera, if you want to speak and you're still using the shotgun mic, turn it around. Watch this. Okay, so right now you can see that the shotgun mic is right above my camera, and there I am. And if I go behind this and I start talking, you're going to see that, my voice is much, much lower right now. But if I was to go ahead and if I was to just reverse the mic, now it's going to sound a lot better. Now that's going to look funny. Of course, that's going to look funny. But you can see that it is actually sounding so much better, and I'm behind the camera. See, I'm behind the camera instead of being in front of the camera. There you go.